This is Automotive Mechanics. Welcome back to the channel. Customer states they came back to their car after shopping at a local market. When they looked at their tires, this is what they found. What do you think happened? Customer states that the driver's seat will not move forward or backwards. If you look closely, you can see a bunch of garbage on the floor of the vehicle. This car came in the shop for just a simple oil change. Can you tell what's off about this vehicle? This car came into the shop. Texas requires the front tint to be at 25% or greater to pass state inspection. This customer was upset I couldn't just let it go and, oh yeah, you can barely see through the windshield. This mechanic got really lucky at the junkyard and found the exact part that he needed. This 1999 Toyota RAV4 came into the shop. Looking back in history, this is an interesting place to have the heat and air blow out of. Customer states air conditioner is not working. Take a look why. This customer 2006 Ford F-150 with the fuel pump driver module broke in half by rust jacking. Have you ever seen this before? Mechanic replaced a noisy wheel bearing. Take a look at all of the grease that came out of it. How long do you think it's been in there for? Customer brought this into the shop and asked if it would make it till winter. Mechanic found somebody's stash in a Chrysler 200 that came into the shop. Why would the customer do this? One of the employees from this shop told the boss he couldn't get all the tires to 100%. This amazingly well-maintained 1987 Corolla with under 5,000 miles came in for an oil change. This is a great piece of history. Customer states their turn signal is broken.
She says the turn signal won't stay engaged when you make a right turn.
Mechanic found this on the front seat of customer car. The note reads, "To my friendly mechanic, I take really good care of my vehicle, and I am kindly asking if you would please take special care when you are removing the tires or working under the hood to please avoid scratching the wheels or the clear coat. Also, please no car wash. Here is $10 for lunch." Mechanic can explain to the elderly customer that they don't need an oil change after 8 months and 23 miles driven. What would you do? Customer bought wheels and tires online. After advising them multiple times that the tires are too small for his vehicle, he insisted for us to put them on. The tire size was 225 by 45-17. Mechanic replaced the battery last week in a customer's car, and she is trying to claim the battery is causing weird things to happen to the car now. This morning, she said the red line was never there before the battery was replaced and wants a refund. Customer states car won't start. When the mechanic tried to examine the engine, here is what he found.
Buddy who can do it for less. Not even hooking up the map sensor, just taping up stuff because they bought the wrong harness. Probably some Amazon. Don't run. In for a tune. Won't start though. ECU's got no power.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel a lot. See you again next time.